Hello everyone, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. Today here in this full video, I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi and cellular bars missing on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So after iOS 17 update, lot of iPhone users are reporting that Wi-Fi and cellular bars not appearing in iPhone home screen. So here I am going to show you the solution for this issue. For the very first solution is restart your iPhone. Now to restart your iPhone, first of all go to Settings app. Then next here tap on General. Now scrolling down and tap on Shutdown. Then here drag the slide to power off. Later to turn off your iPhone, wait for few seconds and turn it back on. And that's it. Now the second solution is reset network settings on your device. Make sure this process erases your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings and cellular settings. Now first of all go to Settings and then tap on General. Next here scrolling down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then here tap Reset. Now tap on Reset Network Settings. Then again tap on Reset Network Settings. And continue the next process. So this will easily reset network settings on your device. Now the third solution is force restart your iPhone. To do this, first of all press volume up button, then press volume down button. And after that, press power on or off button at the same time. And when the Apple logo appears, then release all the button. It will easily force restart your iPhone. So that's how easily you can fix the issue for Wi-Fi and cellular bars missing on iPhone after iOS 17 update. Hopefully this video will helpful for all of you. Thank you so much.